Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing the carne asada quesadilla. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, Blackstone is ready. Let's add a little bit of oil. Let's add our carne asada in there. The seasoning that we're using is Johnny's seasoning, once again. Let me go ahead and add this, turn it down to medium low. I'm going to add carne de pastor. This is for some nachos that I'm doing for the Rams championship game today. That's something else. That's what you'll see over here on this side. So all this carne de pastor is marinated pork. So all we're waiting now for the carne asada is to get that nice dark gray color. So now you grab a piece and make sure your seasoning is where it needs to be. A little bit more. Give it another taste. No, we got it. That's what it needs to be. Let's go ahead and put our tortilla in there. The cheese that we're using is the Mexican blend. Find that at Walmart and all those stores. Looking at the carne over here. Oh, look at that, huh? All right. So now we're gonna add onions and cilantro. Huh? You guys' mouth getting watering now. And you cannot forget homemade salsa. We're doing the green on this one. Man, that looks good. That looks good. Go ahead and close it. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, so the rest of this meat is going to be for our nachos that we're doing for the NFC championship game. It's about to go down. Whew-wee, that looking good. Looking good, yeah. Here we have it, guys. Let me open it up. Ah, look at that. Let's go ahead and cut it and see how it tastes. All right, guys, here we have it. So let's go ahead and cut it. How do they cut it anyways? Like this? Oh, like this? All right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Hope you guys like this cook. It came out perfect, came out delicious. Make sure you guys leave that like, Make sure to subscribe, helps the channel out a lot. Check out these videos and I'll see you guys next time.